And I'm going to talk to you today about Claude Code, some of the skills you can use to help you hack this weekend. So just a quick question. Who here is using Claude Code at the minute? Awesome. And then out of you guys, how many of you are using plugins, skills, MCP servers? Awesome. So this should be a recap really for you guys. So what we're going to talk about is plugins, skills, and the Hedera MCP server as well, which allows you to connect into the Hedera Docs for maximum context for your Claude instance. And so this is a QR code to the Hedera skills repo on GitHub. Definitely recommend scanning that and getting those skills downloaded. And we'll run through the installation in a couple of slides. And then we also have this up at our booth. So if you miss this chance now, if you go past the booth, you can see it on the screen there. And there's 5 skills within this repo. The main one we're going to be talking about today is the Hackathon helper. And that's got 2 sort of main skills within that particular plugin. You've got the Hackathon PRD. So this is a skill you run and effectively talk to the skill about your idea. And it will help you flesh it out and will tell you the best way to implement Hedera within your idea. And at the end of it, you'll have a full product requirement document explaining the idea, how it integrates with Hedera, and then you can use that to help build your idea out with Claude as well. And then we also have validate submission as well. Validate submission is once you've built your idea and you're ready for judging, you can run the validate submission, and that will take a look at your repo and effectively judge it in a similar way to how we'll be judging it. Take a look at how you've implemented Hedera and whether or not it's good enough to be judged accurately. So you can see there, those are the 2 skills that I was just explaining. And then the judging criteria there: innovation, feasibility, execution, integration, validation, success, and pitch as well. Pitch will come on Sunday when you actually come and demo your idea to us. And so installation, super easy. All you need to do is /plugin, marketplace add, Hedera dev, Hedera skills, and then reload the plugins. And then all you need to do, you don't even need to call the skill directly. All you need to do is say, create a Hackathon PRD for this, and then write out your idea. And then you can also paste in the criteria on the ETHGlobal website for the particular track that you're applying for, and that will make sure the PRD contains all of the points you need to hit in order to be most successful. And then we also have the Hedera Docs MCP. So the Hedera Docs MCP will allow Claude to connect directly to our documentation website. So when you're actively building your idea, it will speed you up massively because it has all of the resources right there. Again, this QR code is at our booth, so if you don't scan it here, it's also available there. Again, just a quick demo on how to add the MCP to your Claude instance. I appreciate most of you have added MCPs before, so if any of you get stuck, feel free to come find me. I can help you get set up. Are there any questions at all about the MCP, about the skills, plugins? Nope. Awesome. We also have one other tool that will help you out massively, and this is a very recent addition, which is the Hedera Scaffold HAR. And this effectively is exactly that, a scaffold. It has lots of templates built into it using best practices. Super easy to set up, just npx create scaffold HAR. And there are some templates in there which are applicable to the bounties that we're running today, the X402, payment scheduler, cross-chain DCA, tokenized subscription. So if your idea relates to any of those, you can download Scaffold HAR, use the Skills MCP as well, and it should put you in a really strong position for a winning project. And then just a quick recap on our bounties. So we have AI and agentic payments. That's 2 winners, or 2 teams can win that one, $3,000 each. Tokenization on Hedera, Again, that's 2 teams, $1,500 each. No Solidity allowed, so no smart contracts. Up to 3 winners for that one, $1,000 each. And then also cross-chain automation using Hedera Schedule Service and Axelar as well. Good luck, everyone, and look forward to seeing your projects.